Hello, welcome to the Be Smart Tech channel. Today I want to show how you can watch YouTube on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. You can open YouTube using the browser of the watch. It is not perfect, but it works. You can watch videos right on the screen. The display is small, but it's still fun to try. In full screen mode, you can also control the volume. Just rotate the bezel to change the sound. Of course, this is not something you use every day, but it's a cool feature. Galaxy Watch 8 has many hidden features. I will show more in the next videos. Find your style. Subscribe for more.